Miso soup is a true taste of Japan. It's a staple in Japanese cuisine, enjoyed daily by many. This comforting soup is known for its rich umami flavor and nourishing qualities. You'll find miso soup served alongside rice and various dishes, making it an integral part of a traditional Japanese meal. The beauty of miso soup lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's incredibly quick to make, perfect for busy weeknights or a light yet satisfying lunch. Despite its simple preparation, miso soup bursts with flavor and offers a world of health benefits. To make a classic miso soup, you'll need just a handful of key ingredients. These ingredients are simple yet essential to achieving the authentic taste and texture of this beloved Japanese dish. These ingredients are easily found at most Asian grocery stores or online. You can also find them in the international section of many supermarkets. First, dashi. This is the base of your miso soup, providing a savory and umami-rich broth. Dashi is fundamental to Japanese cuisine and gives the soup its deep, rich flavor. You can use instant dashi granules for convenience or make your own from scratch using kombu, which is kelp, and bonito flakes. Making dashi from scratch can enhance the flavor even more. Next, miso paste. This fermented soybean paste is the heart of miso soup, lending its signature savory and complex flavor. Miso paste is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. There are various types of miso paste available, each with its unique taste profile. White miso is milder and sweeter, while red miso is stronger and saltier. Then, tofu. Soft or silken tofu works best for miso soup, adding a delicate texture and protein. Tofu absorbs the flavors of the soup, making each bite delicious. Finally, wakame seaweed. This dried seaweed expands beautifully in the hot soup, providing a subtle briny flavor and a pleasant, silky texture. Wakame is also packed with vitamins and minerals, making your soup nutritious. Prepare your dashi. Follow the instructions on your dashi granules, ensuring you measure the correct amount for the water you are using. Alternatively, you can make your own dashi by simmering kombu and bonito flakes in water. This traditional method brings out a rich umami flavor. Once your dashi is ready, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any solids, ensuring a clear and smooth broth. Rehydrate the wakame seaweed. Place the dried wakame seaweed in a bowl and cover it with cold water. This will allow the seaweed to absorb the water and rehydrate. Allow it to soak for a few minutes until it expands and becomes soft. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Add tofu and seaweed. Bring your dashi to a gentle simmer in a saucepan over medium heat. Cut the tofu into small cubes about ½ an inch in size, and gently add them to the simmering dashi. Be careful not to break the tofu. Add the rehydrated wakame seaweed to the pot, stirring gently to combine. Dissolve the miso paste. Turn the heat to low to prevent the miso paste from boiling, as high heat can destroy its delicate flavors. Take a small amount of the hot dashi in a ladle and whisk in the miso paste until it's completely dissolved. This ensures the paste is evenly distributed. Once dissolved, pour the miso mixture back into the saucepan, stirring gently to combine. Finishing the soup. Gently stir the soup to combine all the ingredients, making sure the miso is well incorporated. Do not let the soup boil after adding the miso paste, as this can affect its flavor and nutritional value. Your miso soup is now ready to be served. Enjoy it hot, garnished with green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for added flavor. Miso soup is incredibly versatile and can be customized to your liking. It's a staple in Japanese cuisine and can be adapted to suit various tastes and dietary preferences. You can add different ingredients to create your own variations. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to experiment with flavors and textures. Some popular additions include mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms or enoki mushrooms add an earthy flavor and a pleasant chewy texture. These mushrooms not only enhance the taste but also add nutritional value. Vegetables like thinly sliced carrots, daikon radish, or spinach add a touch of sweetness and color to your soup. These vegetables also contribute to the overall health benefits of the dish. For a heartier meal, you can add cooked noodles like udon or soba to your miso soup. This makes the soup more filling and can turn it into a complete meal. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. This ensures that the flavors are balanced and to your liking. You can add a pinch of salt or a splash of soy sauce if you prefer a saltier flavor. These simple adjustments can make a big difference in the final taste. Garnish your miso soup with chopped scallions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for added flavor and visual appeal. These garnishes also add a nice crunch. Enjoy your homemade miso soup as a light and flavorful appetizer or a comforting and nourishing meal. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a quick lunch or a cozy dinner.